Alright everybody, welcome back to Mustangs by Matt. Today I'm going to walk you through installing these GT350 fender scoops from MP Concepts. Let's get started. MP Concepts does not offer this in a pre-painted configuration, so whatever you get, they're going to come to you in this sort of plastic style. So if you want them painted, that's fine. It's just going to cost you extra. I had these painted in race red. They matched it to my Fender, and I had these painted in Ford UA black. Before we can install these on the car, we have to first install the inserts into the flares, and they give you two pieces or two rolls of this 3M double-sided tape. Besides this, the only thing you're going to need is some alcohol just to clean the car before you put these on. Now, I've seen these installed. American Muscle has about 100 or so pictures of these installed on various cars in various colors, and it looks really, really good, especially from about 10 feet away. If you're right next to it, you know, whatever. MP Concepts does offer the full Fender flair, the full Fender, but those are $700 to $900. And then you have to have them painted. So this is economical and it looks good enough. That's what I gotta say. So we just gotta make sure this is clear of dirt. All right, so get these, pull it out just a little bit, just like that. And you let it sit right here. Okay. So it's right there, square against that, and just pull. Okay. And pull. Make sure you apply firm, even pressure. That is going to look absolutely sick. We're going to clean this whole thing with alcohol, all of it, and then we're going to lay down the thick tape. That curve so you can get that nice continuous strip. This is not possible to do with the amount of tape they include in the kit. So this is what I was able to do. So let's go install it on the car. Alright, so we're out of the car. We're gonna pull part of each of these strips so that will be exposed when we go to apply this to the car. Alright, so we're just gonna get a good ballpark here. firm, even pressure, even as you can. Alright, the final and most unnecessary step of this installation is we are going to be replacing this 2.3 badge that I installed with another 2.3 badge. These are GT350 Fender scoops, so we're going to go with the GT350 style 2.3 turbo. So you're going to need obviously a hair dryer, panel removal tool, something made of plastic, just a scraper, some Goo Gone, and some alcohol. Take your time on this part. You don't want to scratch the paint. Our blue painter's tape and our alignment thing. Tape it on in a couple places. All right. Line it up with the cutout. Alright, so that was the installation of the MP Concepts GT350 style front fender scoops. Ridiculous name. I think it looks pretty cool myself. And we also added these 2.3 turbo badges. It's a pretty simple install. Like I said, you're going to have these painted, so be aware of that before you purchase them. That's all for this time. If you're looking for something to watch, we recently took a trip down to the parts farm. You can check that out. That's all for now. Be safe, have fun, and God bless America.